Hi, here I am back in the studio and I'm working on my photograph, beautiful girl, and I have this on my iPad, as you can see right here. Started this yesterday. We're going to work forward on it. We're going to probably do it for work on it for another 10 minutes live so that you don't have to worry about how did she do this. And I'm going to talk my way through this so that I can explain to you all the little things that I'm going to be doing along the way. So I have this pretty beautiful big outline of it. Let me merge this down. I'm going to merge down. Okay, so you could see that up in the upper right hand corner, these are the different layers that you can add on. So say I want to, because I'm going to put the makeup on with a layer so I could take it off. So let me just show you how I do that. So say I want to put some dark makeup around her eyes, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to kind of mess around. Let me work with my sketching tool, which is my soft pastels, and I just want to do something like this. Say I want to do this a little bit darker. I want to just make this really dark and, you know, that ominous makeup, right? So here it is. Wow, that's cool. And then I say to myself, I don't like that. That's terrible. Okay, so then I go up to my layer and I'm going to turn it off. And I go back to my reverse. And then I say I don't want to do that anymore. I'm going to delete it. So what I want to do now is I want to put everything that's on the basic of this beautiful girl. I'm going to decide, I'm going to be doing some cutouts, let's call them cutouts, as I would do if I was doing my mixed media pieces, because in my mixed media pieces I like to go to magazines and local newspapers and I cut out text and I cut out like a photograph of, say, for the Catrina, this Catrina, I'm going to cut out photographs of flowers that I put in her hair, you know, in this area up here. So just so that you understand, like up in this area, I'm going to put in some photographs of flowers, because Catrinas always have this halo of flowers around them. And I'm going to try to decide how I'm going to do that later, but let's work on just the makeup right now. So now you can see it's kind of making a 3D feel, is kind of coming along. We're going to go on to part 3, and we're going to zip through part 3 a little bit more. I want to stop and explain things along the way so that you can understand what I'm doing and how I'm changing the opacity and I'm changing the size of the brush. Excuse me, when I go on to airbrushing, which I usually do at the very end to sort of blend it all together and to pop on the highlights and the lowlights. You know, we're going to do a separate video as we go along on this for that. So follow me to part 3, and thanks for watching so much. You guys are great, and share it with your friends and get on to Procreate. It's a pretty cool app, and You know, there's lots of computer apps, but I like this one the most. It works the way I work as an artist. So it is very, what I'm doing is very comparative to, pretty much comparative to what I would do as a pastel artist. So, you know, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me to part 3 and have a great day. Namaste.